show you how to play the intro of Enter Sandman by Metallica the right way. A lot of people do it wrong because they play it like this. And this is kind of an obvious version because it's kind of comfortable to play it with ring finger and index finger. Ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string, index finger on the 5th fret of the D string, and you play the open low E string, A string, D string, and then you go with the middle finger on the 6th fret of the E string, and then with the index finger which hops onto the E string in the 5th fret. But then there's something wrong because you need this note here in the 5th fret of the D string, you need to ring throughout. And when you take the index finger away, going here in the 5th fret of the E string, it won't ring out through. So we need to do something else. We could do it like, just play the open G string, which is the same note as here in the 5th fret of the D string, but if you listen very closely to the recording, it's not that. And if you watch what James Hetfield is doing live, you can see he plays it a little bit different, which is a pretty cool finger exercise and makes total sense. If you listen to it and you watch it and you play it like this, you think, ah, this is Enter Sandman. It's really small details here, but really nice. So you play it with your pinky in the 7th fret of the A string and with the middle finger in the 5th fret of the D string. Then you play E, A, D, and then you play with the ring finger in the 6th fret of the E string, and then with the index finger in the 5th fret of the E string. And at the very end you play again, of course, the A string. Might feel strange in the beginning to move your fingers like this while the pinky and the middle finger are fixed, but this is a very good exercise for your grabbing hand, so give it a try. It makes a lot of fun to play. It's a really good exercise. Bring it on tempo. The intro of Enter Sandman played the right way. And if you want to learn some other cool stuff in the world of guitar playing, check out my free lessons in the description of this video. A lot of cool stuff going on there too. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye!